Now we're going to talk about the period. Okay, so a period is a distance between peaks. Normally that's how it's defined. So it's from peak to peak. You're trying to determine what that distance is. So if we think about it, when we're here, this is 180. Okay, 180, 270, 360, and 540. So the difference between 540 and 90 is 360 or 2 pi. It's normally talked about in terms of radians. Now let's see if we change this a little bit. Let's see what happens. Let's put 0 in first. Well, we get 0 still. 2 times 0 is 0. The sign of 0 is 0. Let's put in 90 now. 2 times 90 is 180. What's the sign of 180? 0. So we're missing an angle measure, a very important angle measure, which is 90. So let's put 45 in. Two times 45 is 90. The sign of 90 is 1. So now we're seeing that this is actually behaving differently than what we're used to seeing. I think what is actually happening is beginning to unravel. So let's think about our next important angle is 270. Well, let's divide that by 2 and we get 135. Okay, 2 times 135 is 270. The sign of 270 is negative 1. All right, our next one is 360. So let's use 180. Okay, so if we use 180, we're finding the sign of 360 and we get 0. Now what's happening is now with the amplitude, if we put the 2 in front of the x, then get rid of that one. So the sign of 2x, look at that, it goes twice as fast. What about the sign of 5x? 5 times as fast. So it's actually the period for 2x, it doubles. It halves. So the period at 2x is going to be cut in half. So it's only going to be pi from peak to peak.